Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT actually works? It seems like magic. You ask a question, and it gives you a smart answer in seconds. But behind the scenes, there's a fascinating world of artificial intelligence and massive data processing. In this video, we'll break it down in simple terms. So let's dive in. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's like a very advanced chatbot that can understand text, generate responses, write essays, code, poems, and even joke around. The name ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let's break that down. Chat, it's built for conversation. Generative, it generates text. Pre-trained, it's trained on a large data set before being fine-tuned. Transformer, this is the deep learning architecture behind it. The transformer is a type of neural network architecture that was introduced by Google in 2017. Unlike older models that read text from left to right, transformers read entire chunks of text at once, allowing them to understand context more efficiently. Transformers use something called attention mechanisms. This means they can focus on the most important words in a sentence, just like we do when reading. For example, in the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat," the model understands that cat is the subject and mat is where it sat. This ability to understand context makes transformers extremely powerful. And that's the core of how ChatGPT works. So how does ChatGPT learn all this? It goes through two major phases: pre-training and fine-tuning. First, pre-training. In this stage, the model is trained on a massive amount of publicly available text: books, websites, articles, Wikipedia, and more. It's not learning facts like a human does. Instead, it learns patterns in language. 2. Fine-tuning. After pre-training, OpenAI fine-tunes the model with more specific data and uses human feedback to make it safer, more helpful, and more accurate. Humans actually rate model outputs to help it learn what sounds better or more logical. When you type a prompt like, "Explain black holes," ChatGPT breaks it down into tokens, which are like pieces of words. It then uses its training to predict the most likely next token, one at a time, until a full response is generated. It's like playing a super advanced word-guessing game, based on probabilities and patterns it learned during training. But here's the twist. ChatGPT doesn't search the internet live. It doesn't look up answers. It replies based on what it learned during training. So if something happened after its last update, it won't know about it, unless it's connected to the web. Even though ChatGPT is powerful, it has limitations. It can make mistakes, give outdated info, or sound confident when it's wrong. These are called hallucinations. That's why OpenAI builds safety mechanisms. For example, the model won't give harmful advice or private information, and it avoids biased or offensive language as much as possible. Still, it's not perfect. And that's why human oversight is important. ChatGPT is evolving fast. New versions are becoming better at reasoning, understanding images, writing code, and even holding longer conversations. AI models like this are starting to help with customer service, education, creative writing, and even medical research. And with the introduction of plugins and multimodal capabilities, like understanding images or voice, the possibilities are expanding rapidly. So now you know, ChatGPT isn't magic. It's the result of cutting-edge AI, huge datasets, and smart engineering. It predicts words based on patterns, not personal experience or emotions. But when used right, it's an incredibly powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments. What would you ask ChatGPT? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.